Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making eggplant dip. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the eggplant dip. You'll need 2 large eggplants, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some sea salt. And this is how your eggplant dip should look like. Serve it with some pita chips fried and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!